Add Tesco Gift Card with Apple Wallet. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add Tesco Gift Card with Apple Wallet. So let's get started and follow these instructions. First, open Apple Wallet, launch the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on the plus button. Look for the plus button usually located in the top right corner of the application. Then enter gift card details. You may be prompted to manually enter the Tesco gift card details. This typically includes the card number and any other required information. After that, what you have to do is you have to verify and confirm. Review the information you entered and confirm. Apple Wallet may verify the card, and if successful, your Tesco gift card should be added. Now use this in Tesco app or Apple Pay. Depending on the type of gift card and its compatibility, you may be able to use directly in the Tesco app or through Apple Pay. That's all. That's how you will be able to add Tesco gift card with Apple Wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.